Wait, Jack didn't finish his homework?
Jack freezes on the stairs.
Uh-oh.
Thank you for calling. I understand.
Jack, come here, please.
Yes, Mom?
Welcome to Daily English Flow.
Let's go back to yesterday. Jack's cousin Mia lives nearby and came to play.
Jack! Let's play with my new robot. I have homework first, Mia. Just 5 minutes, please. Okay. Just 5 minutes.
5 minutes became 1 hour.
This is so fun!
Wait, is that the clock? Mom will be home soon. Hi, kids. Jack, did you do your homework?
Yes, Mom. All done.
Great job. I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Mom.
Jack, you didn't really finish it.
Shh. Mia, don't tell.
But that's not true. I'll finish it later. I promise.
But Jack forgot again. At school, the teacher checks homework.
Jack, where is your homework?
I don't have it.
Oh, Jack, that is not like you.
I'm sorry. I didn't finish it.
I need to call your parents about this.
Please don't call my mom.
This is important, Jack. Honesty matters.
Back in the living room.
Your teacher called. She said you didn't do your homework.
I know. I'm sorry, Mom.
Why did you tell me? It was done.
I didn't want you to be upset.
Lying makes me more upset, Jack.
I understand. I was wrong.
What happened here?
Jack lied about his homework.
Jack, telling the truth is always better.
I promise. I will always tell the truth now.
I forgive you. Let's finish your homework together.
Thanks, Mom. I love you. I love you.
Remember, always tell the truth, even when it's hard.